how are you today? Coming from my kitchen here. Look at it, it's amazing. And I wanted to discuss with you guys about this myth, the gossip around town about healthy eating and how expensive it is. It drives me insane. The part that drives me insane is it's actually not expensive. What's expensive is when you're buying things that come from a faraway land that are like a superfood or an Amazonian berry that costs like $100 a kilo or something. Now we're talking expensive. But when we're looking at the thing like the humble pumpkin, look at its glory. It's fabulous. And what I can do with this, the humble corn, some parsley, the true superfoods of our time, and how something has happened to this industry that we're in, you know? We've been sold a picture, and it's a bit of a shit picture actually. Yep, it's a bit of a shit picture. And what I find is, especially as a teacher and a facilitator and an influencer, for us women, you and me at home in our homes, okay, is what I find is that when I'm going in the supermarket or a farmer's market, I'm reaching for ingredients that are practical, accessible, and sustainable. And what I mean by that is like garlic and onion and corn and potatoes and broccoli and parsley and cauliflower and zucchini and carrots and mushrooms and all the things that make up a beautiful dish made from plants. And when you eat this way, it is not expensive. One of the things me and Scott love, Scott's behind the camera, one of the things that me and Scott love is broccoli and pasta. Hey, Scott.
Absolutely.
And it's just bloody pasta, right? With frickin' broccoli. And what I do is I amp up the broccoli and I minimise the pasta. Now, for a couple, 2 people, no kids at the moment. When I mean at the moment, we're not having any, but we don't have any kids at the moment. There's no kids in the house. Is I'm finding that if I did have children, if Damon was little, my 25-year-old, we would have that ×3, and that is an economical, sustainable, healthy meal that doesn't cost the earth. And one of the things I love to make in my cooking classes is food that us women can make that are completely and utterly healthy, like extremely healthy, from plants that me and you know in supermarkets. And I just want to highlight that because I have the shits around the wellness industry telling me that I need to have this particular Amazonian valley to have my vitamin C, this particular, Peruvian berry / seed high proteinism to get my protein, when the dudes in Australia and around the world, the farmers that are growing blueberries and strawberries and raspberries and all of a sudden mulberries are in season. That's the superfood of our time. And when we mix that with some delicious bananas, we have an incredible dessert or a drink. And to me, that is one way to step into nature, to step into optimal health, to step into a supermarket or a farmer's market, knowing that being healthy, having healthy food, eating healthy food, buying healthy food with our hard-earned cash is not expensive. That's the truth. Stay with me till next week, because I'm going to talk about how much I hate kale. See ya.